I'm going to show how to install SAP Logon or SAP GUI. Okay, so first you have to download the SAP GUI or SAP Logon. So click on this link and then select the Windows SAP GUI zip file. Click on download and then give you the location where you want to download. Okay, so select the download button and then save it to your local location. Okay, so once you download it, it takes a minute to download because it's a 660 MB file. Once you download it, so select extract all and then give the location where you want to keep these files. Okay, so I have extracted this and I've kept it over here. Okay, go to this direction, press 1 and then GUI, Windows, Win32, and then you select for the file SAP GUI setup. Just press S. So wait for it to launch. So once it launches, you select all components to install. Okay, press next. So here important thing is you select all components and then press next. So location is fine, give it default, then next. So then wait for 5 minutes or 5 minutes it may take. Wait for it to complete. Once it completes, just restart your laptop and then look for the SAP Logon software in your laptop. So once it installs, it will ask you to reboot your computer. So just you close it or reboot it right away. Okay, thank you.